Chapter 7 is about overcoming procrastination, in other words the power of decisiveness. Today, we're diving into Chapter 7, and let me tell you, this one is a game changer. It's all about squashing that sneaky villain called procrastination and unveiling the superhero within us, the power of making decisions. Think of this chapter as your secret weapon for leveling up in the game of life. Now, I know you're probably wondering, why is procrastination such a big deal? Well, imagine this, you've got dreams that are basically sparkling stars in your sky of goals. And guess what is standing between you and those stars? Yep, you got it, procrastination. It's that notorious fence that we tend to sit on, delaying our dreams, and letting opportunities slip away. Chapter 7 is here to give you the tools to kick that procrastination to the curb and skyrocket toward success. Let's dive into the action with some real-world scenarios. 1. Imagine you're faced with an opportunity that's knocking on your door. Successful folks don't hesitate, they go for it. They're like, hey opportunity, I see you, and I'm diving in headfirst. That's the magic of swift decisions. 2. Have you ever found yourself overthinking and doubting your choices? Well, successful individuals don't let doubt crash their party. They decide, and they stick with it, like glue. No room for second guessing in their success playbook. 3. Picture this, you've got dreams, big dreams. But suddenly, opinions start pouring in from every corner. Successful people take in those opinions, but they lead with their gut feeling. They're the captains of their ship, steering through the noise. 4. Once the path that could lead to greatness is known, successful folks don't tiptoe, they march with purpose. They decide to walk it and stick with it, no matter what. They're the architects of their destiny. 5. You've met those folks who talk a big game but rarely deliver. Well, successful individuals are all about action. They listen, learn, and then they roll up their sleeves and get things done. Now, here's the deal, if you're vibing with this content, make sure to show some love by hitting that like button, dropping a comment, and subscribing. We're here to serve you up with more awesome insights. And the takeaway is, nixing procrastination is about flexing your decision-making muscles. It's about taking charge and saying, hey, life, I've got this. When you're fueled by a burning desire and a clear purpose, decisions become your compass, guiding you toward your goals. So, let's embrace the power of choices and stride confidently on the path to success. You've got this. For faster results, check the playlist to listen to the next chapters. We wish you a powerful day. Subscribe for more.